100% results, but we've had a lot of footfall into the bus, which we're all really excited about. We've got email sign-ups, we've got lots of interested and new customers for our products, best permits for us, the best location at the best deal. Hello, I am Sophie and I am the head of marketing at Malone Souliers. We are a luxury British shoe brand founded in 2014 by Mary Alice Malone, who studied cordwaining. So she herself can make the shoes from scratch. So we really pride ourselves on that because she makes shoes for women, by a woman, and she knows the intricacies in order to make comfortable, beautiful shoes for women. Everything is handmade in Italy. So we work with a lot of family-run factories and we pride ourselves on our craftsmanship and the quality of our leathers. The aim of our campaign is brand awareness. So our biggest market is actually in the Middle East. So one of our big targets for this year is to grow our UK customer base and just grow our share of voice within the UK. So this is one of the things we're doing to do that, especially in London. We want to grow our community here. So yeah, get people through the door, get people knowing who we are, what we're about, and touching and feeling our products, and a bit of a celebration of the brand as well. We had never done anything like this before. This is a first for the brand. So we really needed help with everything. So we really needed to find a company that could kind of show us the procedure, show us from scratch all the way through to the final product, take us on that journey. So we needed help with internal fit, we needed help with the wrap. I mean, we had a design vision, but we really needed help bringing that to life. So we found Promohire on Google. We actually reached out to a few companies, but Promohire were our favorites. I mean, they were the most responsive. I mean, brilliant in terms of being super informative. They had all the facilities that we needed in order to make this work. As I said, we didn't know anything about these kind of pop-ups. This is the first for us, and they were really hands-on in helping us and really bringing this to life. Promohire were excellent, especially when coming to our permits. So we were looking at different locations around London, and Promohire basically sourced the best permits for us, the best location at the best deal, and we couldn't have done that without them. So in terms of results for the campaign, obviously it's still running, so we can't give 100% results, but we've had a lot of footfall into the bus, which we're all really excited about. We've got email sign-ups, we've got lots of interested and new customers for our products, which we couldn't have done without Promohire, and we're very happy to be working with them. We would definitely love to work with Promohire again. They've been absolutely excellent from start to finish and really great partners to work with moving forward. So we hope to continue that partnership.